Good morning everybody, this is Nate over at Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota, and today I have a brand new 24 Grand Design Imagine 14 MS. We'll take a look around the outside and then we'll walk into the inside and I'll show you some features of this travel trailer. Let's take a look. So first side profile here, large power awning with LED light strip. Coming down. This is a single axle manual jacks. Little outdoor kitchen area here. We do have our spray port. We do have some GVWR outlets. Arctic insulation, so we have our spare. And we also have our enclosed underbelly if the GoPro can pick up on that there. Steps for the inside. There's those jacks. There's the back. And then looking up top there, you do have prep for a backup camera. You have your ladder to get up on your roof to clean that. There's with the slide open here. And then in here, we're gonna have our battery disconnect, our solar controller here as well, some more outlets. Outdoor shower here as well. Large storage here. Our hookups. Coming around, we have our gray tank, our sewer hose holder here. There's our furnace, and our hot water heater there. Coming around to the front. The front cap. Two 20-pound propane tanks that we do fill upon purchase. And then we do put the battery in as well. I am in the shop today, so sorry if it's a little bit loud. Better than being outside in the cold. So let's head inside. All right, so coming on into the inside right away, smaller travel trailer, but it almost has like an office feel to it. I really like the design of this. So I'm gonna work my way over to the kitchen and then turn around towards the bathroom here. But the first thing I wanna emphasize is look at all of the counter space that you have. Lots of natural light coming in through those windows as well. There's our fire extinguisher for safety. But storage down below. There's our TV. We have our AC, air vents here. Again, lots of natural light coming through the windows. And what I do in some of these, videos here is I let you see the specs. So I'm going to show those specs now. So feel free to pause the video, get a little bit more information, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Construction quality here. And then of course we do have the Grand Design guarantee. Again, feel free to pause the video and read this information here. Perfect, and then the specs. I like to do the specs for this here too, but those will be popping up on screen here shortly, or at the intro of my video. But enough of that, let's go back to the counter space. 2-burner cooktop here. We do have our microwave right down below. Plenty of device charging outlets through here, but I did want to mention you do have 2 USB chargers here, right on each side, and a wireless charging pad here. We call that the Tower of Power. Premium wood core cabinet doors, which I really like on this. Plenty of storage. Just a nice feel to it. Storage under there. Stainless steel sink. We have storage here. Storage down below. Storage here as well. Cleaning products, whatever it might be. We do have our fridge. And our freezer at the bottom. More storage up above. Like I said, this almost has like an office feel to it. I really like the layout. So there's the bathroom in the back there. We do have our sofa, which also comes into or forms into the bed. Doing it with one hand might be a little bit tricky, but they're hooked into the wall right here, where the bed's hooked into the wall. We have more charging outlets here, and then to do that, it's a little bit harder. But your couch comes down like this, and you unlatch the bed from the wall, and the bed folds over. So you get the idea there. Just hard to do it with the GoPro in hand, but very comfortable. Storage right here. Large storage pocket on the inside. We do have our thermostat here, and we do have our command center for the ceiling lights, the exterior lights, water pump, awning, slide, you name it, Bluetooth controls for your stereo. But let's head into the bathroom. So we have our toilet, lots of room right away when I walk in. Towel holder here, lots of room on our sink. Storage here, medicine cabinet, lots of storage. Light coming into the bathroom, there's our vent. Very nice shower. So, standing test here, plenty of room. And then coming out of the bathroom, just doing one final pan around. Like I said, it's more of an office feel. You don't have your, your blacks, your whites, and your grays. It's very modern, very home-like feeling. So you'll feel comfortable, be able to get some work done, have some friends over, whatever you might need, but very unique floor plan. I really like this one. So that's going to do it for this video. A little bit shorter of a video, but if you have any questions, definitely drop a comment down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel for more updates on these newer floor plans that are coming in. My name's Nate Green. Number here is 218-740-4965. That's my direct line, so if you have any questions, want to set up an appointment, let me know. And like normal, I'll catch you in the next one.